Welcome to the Explainer. If you're managing a construction site, you already know that safety isn't just some box to check. It's quite literally what keeps your team alive and your site open. But trying to build a fully compliant safety program from a totally blank page, yeah, that is a monumental headache. So today, we're taking a highly structured, practical tour of a very specific product that's designed to completely eliminate that headache. It's the Bizmanualz Construction Safety Procedure, specifically the CON 110. We're going to unpack exactly what you get when you leverage this ready-made solution.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our agenda. We'll methodically unpack what you're receiving, starting with the construction safety procedure itself, then looking inside the core procedures, checking out the essential safety forms, seeing how it saves you time, and finally, how you can secure your construction site.
All right, Section 1, the Construction Safety Procedure, how to meet OSHA requirements and actually protect your workers.
So this product is specifically designed for construction site leaders. Whether you're the company owner, a project manager on the ground, or a dedicated safety officer, you know you need to implement a tailored safety program. But let's be real, you absolutely do not have the time to start from scratch while OSHA regulations are just looming over you. The CON 110 manual gives you a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to creating a program that actually meets those strict requirements.
Right out of the gate, the manual sets a really strong institutional tone. It states, quote, "The personal safety and health of each construction employee is of primary importance." Having this exact phrasing documented is the absolute bedrock of a compliant safety culture in the eyes of regulators. It instantly ensures your company has a formal policy stating you simply won't knowingly allow unsafe conditions to exist.
To truly appreciate what you're getting here, we've got to look at the sheer volume of this thing. You are getting 34 pages of detailed, ready-to-use safety protocols. This isn't just some flimsy little pamphlet. It's a thorough, in-depth framework that covers everything from fall protection to electrical safety. It gives you a massive head start on all your documentation.
To put that into perspective, the manual contains over 10,228 words. That is over 10,000 words of expertly drafted policies and procedures, meaning you don't have to spend your evenings or weekends writing them yourself. It just really highlights the absolute comprehensiveness of the system you're bringing into your company.
Moving to Section 2, inside the core procedures, building the foundation of your safety program.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how it breaks down the actual operational workflow of safety. It's all about helping you evaluate and maintain a secure worksite. First, there's the construction worksite safety analysis, which dictates how you actually assess your site. Then the hazard prevention and control procedures give you the exact steps to mitigate those risks you just found. And finally, the hazard communication program ensures everyone on site actually knows about those hazards and exactly how to handle them.
Continuing our look at the core activities, the manual dives into what happens when things go wrong and how to prevent them in the first place. So you've got procedures for construction medical emergencies, outlining exactly how to handle injuries. It covers construction worksite safety training. And, vitally, this is huge, it includes procedures for OSHA reporting and record keeping. That is your absolute lifeline for navigating strict regulatory requirements and dodging those hefty penalties.
It's also absolutely crucial that everyone is speaking the same language across your worksite. The manual ensures this by providing standardized definitions for industry terms. For example, a material safety data sheet, or MSDS, a detailed bulletin from the manufacturer detailing the hazards, safe handling, and emergency procedures for chemicals. Having these definitions baked into your policy ensures your whole team is operating from the exact same baseline of knowledge.
It also clearly defines key regulatory bodies like ANSI, the American National Standards Institute. By defining these organizations up front, the manual ensures your crew actually understands the broader legal and compliance framework they're operating within. It really elevates the overall professionalism of your site.
Let's move to Section 3, Essential Safety Forms Included. This is where we make those procedures actionable.
So, these are the physical tools your project managers actually need on their clipboards every single day. You get a construction safety suggestion sheet to gather direct feedback from the crew. You get the worksite safety self-inspection checklist, which is an invaluable tool for daily site audits. And you get an action plan template so you can instantly map out exactly how you'll fix any safety deficiencies you spot during those walkthroughs.
Wrapping up what's inside the product, you also get a template for your construction worksite safety rules, an index of hazardous chemicals to keep all that documentation organized, and the really crucial safety orientation checklist.
Plus, it includes vital job descriptions so you can ensure every new hire knows their specific safety responsibilities literally from day one.
All right, Section 4, how it saves you time. It's customizable and ready to use.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how incredibly fast deployment is. It's really just 3 steps. Step 1, instant download. The second you purchase, you have the files. Step 2, customize the Word template. Because it's not a rigid document, you can tailor it perfectly to your company. And step 3, implement the safety program. You're going from a total blank slate to a fully realized safety foundation in a fraction of the time it would normally take.
I really want to emphasize this point. You aren't just getting some locked PDF that you can't touch. Buyers receive downloadable Microsoft Word templates. They are fully editable, meaning you can mold them instantly to fit the unique, day-to-day realities of your specific job site. It's delivered via instant download. And perhaps best of all for your peace of mind, the whole shebang is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. It is literally a risk-free way to upgrade your safety infrastructure.
Finally, Section 5, secure your construction site. The bottom line benefit. So the crucial takeaway here is the stark contrast between your operational realities. Operating without a system like Con 110, that's a massive gamble. You're risking costly fines from OSHA, you're opening yourself up to legal liabilities, and worst of all, you're risking occupational injuries to your workers. But with Con 110, you instantly gain a tailored, OSHA-compliant shield for your workforce and your entire business.
You know, the manual itself really says it best. Don't leave safety to chance. Just take a moment to look at your current site vulnerabilities. Are you relying on outdated policies? Or maybe you have no formal written policies at all. Are you ready to ensure the safety of your construction site today with a proven, structured system?
The best part is, this solution is incredibly accessible. You can get the Construction Safety Procedure, the Con 110, today for just $49.99. Head on over to bizmanualz.com to instantly download your editable Word templates and start building a safer, fully compliant construction site right now. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay safe out there, and here's to working smarter.